बोल दूं हाँ
काट देगी
वो होते ना एस्थेटिक बच्चोदे so sorry
सही कह रहे हो that's a very good term
yeah
actually
that's a Gen Z term by the way I'm so sorry yeah it is right
Oh, Hassan, good morning. And thank you so much for joining us on this Lead at Filmmakers Connect podcast. We're excited to have you. Hassan
thank you
is,
so much for having me
you, mashallah, in a very fast pace of time, you managed to break into the industry, make a mark for yourself. It's not an easy job.
it's not
Uh, and also अपना वो लोहा मनवाना भी आसान काम नहीं है तो and like you said कि जो है you're in your face you say it like it is so I'm looking forward to
yeah it will be
hearing
fun
stuff from you.
I'm looking forward as well कि how we take this forward and then say things upfront जो भी है सब कुछ है
हाँ तो बताओ फिर कि जो है was it difficult to हसान के बारे में एक चीज जो अभी बताना चाह रही थी कि जो है ये जब 6 साल का था that's he's one of my key talents from the
when I used to act so I started acting with Aisha Jalil also I did I was a child actor basically so I did from 1996 से लेके till 2009 I did acting and then afterwards I
enjoy that or were your parents more keen that
no I was actually it was an adventure for me every time I went out so it wasn't just something you go into school and then coming back home so it was very interesting actually
दुनिया तुम्हें fascinate करती थी उस वक्त
yeah it was much more fun because I was always into adventures so shoot is an adventure because you wake up early and then you don't know what's gonna happen everything is just a mayhem or a mishap and anything can happen so it was good it was interesting I think that made me learn very quickly as well picking from all of you guys because I was hanging out with older people from a very young age not my age so I was talking to them I was listening hearing how everything was so that I think maybe helped me out a lot in my career as well from the younger age of
so when did you know that you wanted to come into filmmaking
oh that's a brilliant story actually so I वो जो आपको पहला प्यार होता है you know when you fall in for the first time the first love so she asked me to write a book and I told her that I'll make a movie for you so that's where it all started yeah so
interesting
yeah I was 16 years old when I said this to her and so yeah that happened now mashallah she's married with 3 kids yeah
नहीं बनाई
nahi never
तो
happened
छोटी सी तो बना लेते
no
तो बना
so I started so what happened was I started to think on it how because you have to learn the craft
yeah
because without learning it you can't just make it
yeah
so I because I was already into advertisements I knew everybody so what I did was I started to learn it I was like I'll learn first I'll know what the gimmick is Sara not कि जाऊँ और मैं just जाके मुँह उठाऊँ और जाके मूवी बना लूँ जो आजकल लोग बना लेते हैं और फिर फ्लॉप हो जाती हैं so I'm still learning and I think there's a very lovely quote by also James Cameron he said you have to live some life in order to make a film so I'm still living my life so थोड़ा सा आगे जाके जितनी मुझे समझ में आ जाएगी so I'll make a film on that
interesting
which would have a little bit element of her as well and later on I don't know I'm 33 now so 16 I don't know how that so all that life chapter as well
how so did you study filmmaking
no I'm a dropout
very good
हमारी पूरी इंडस्ट्री में ड्रॉप आउट होंगे सारे
इसको कुछ और नहीं मिल रहा था हम याद
but that's a good topic also by the way talk about why there's a lack of a big lack because आप लोग तो चलो you guys made the industry right so we were talking off the camera also when we were working and I learned from you guys were making few of the directors there were only few directors and you were the only female director at that time, I think.
Yeah.
अभी भी कितने 2-3 ही हैं शायद. उसके बाद आमना आई थी. And then I can't take more names if there are more names.
We were looking. कि
They are-
है कि कोई हाँ
Are they?
पर नहीं है ना. एड फिल्म्स में नहीं है, दूसरी जगह तो अब लड़कियां आ रही हैं जैसे
Yeah, Marine Jabbar is there, but then again, that's just one more name I can come up with. So,
Misbah Khalid and all of these people also
okay.
dramas and stuff. तो ड्रामा इंडस्ट्री में है, फिर फिल्म में है, so people are coming up, but जो है but not जितना
Yeah, Shahzad is there also now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
तो जितना होना चाहिए वो नहीं है, but जो है I feel
But then back in that time, if you see 90s, late 90s or early 2000, it was just you, and then Amna Khan started to pick up. Oh yeah. She was there, but she was on the more production side and
Yeah.
handling that. So it's very important in terms of, because you need to know the basics. अब क्या होता है कि बेसिक्स यहाँ पे लोगों को पता नहीं होता, आगे प्रोड्यूसर भी बन जाते हैं आजकल तो. कहीं से भी उठ के एजेंसी से भी उठ के बन जाएंगे, क्लाइंट साइड से भी उठ के बन जाएंगे. इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट माइंड सेट ऑफ अ प्रोड्यूसर. यू नीड टू लर्न फ्रॉम समबडी. So I worked with Asadul Haq, I worked with Esin Rahim, I worked with Nick Nolan also. All the best DOPs which were coming back then worked with all of you guys also. So I really remember this quote from Nick Nolan, who said it to me that if I have 40 years of experience and you work with me minimum 3 years, but you have to work with me for 3 years. You'll have 43 years of experience. So yeah, so you learn the craft from me also, what I've learned in 40 years. But it can't be just like कि तुम मेरे साथ 1 साल काम करो and then you can say कि तुम मेरे पास तुम्हारा 40 साल का experience मुझे आ गया है. But then again, there was one disclaimer also in that, but you have to be willing to learn.
yes.
Without that, it cannot happen. So that's what I think. It's a big missing link I see from the time how I was saying I've worked with seeing you guys and then working with all the people who have come here or working abroad, is that they learn from somebody. They learn from somebody who knew the craft, who was good at it. That's where you guys or everybody was just who they were, and they were good at their art.
So why do you think? But John, filmmaking, I feel only if you're passionate about it, and ways you have to be, because it's a constant learning, especially not,
every day.
just because of technology. It's just everything is about constant learning. So and with this field, if you're not passionate, you're not going to survive in any case, right? So the thing is, you have to slog it out. You have to love what you're doing, and all of that, and then learning is also part of it, right? Whether you're learning, like कल साकिब से बात हो रही थी, तो वो भी ये कह रहा था कि whether you're learning from अपना पढ़ के आप लर्न कर रहे हैं या किसी और से लर्न कर रहे हैं या ऑन ग्राउंड लर्न कर रहे हैं, हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग, यू गॉट टू डेवलप योर क्राफ्ट.
David Fincher says that if somebody is walking, you can learn from him also. But if you're noticing even how he's walking, there's a story.
Watching people, तो हमारा काम भी eyes the voyeur part of it. But tell me, so why are you thinking that आजकल के लोग जो है नहीं सीख रहे या नहीं है?
Oh, there's the problem, which is कि somebody who has come into a power जिसने खुद ही नहीं सीखा था. ठीक है. So the problem, I really believe in this, is I would hire people who would be kind of my mindset. So आप अपनी hiring करते हो अपने हिसाब से, right? So if somebody has learned the craft, he would hire people accordingly. So let's say Asadul Haq hired me. He saw probably something कि यार ये कुछ कर लेगा या कुछ होगा, but something was that. But so everybody hires people according to their mindset. So now people, what I see is कि जो power में हैं, जो आ रहे हैं power में, they वही वाली बात, कितना सीखा है, कहाँ से सीखा है, नहीं सीखा,
पता चल रहा कोई इसमें talent में या नहीं talent.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah. I think that's the biggest problem which is happening now, कि वो तो खुद भी आ गए, उनकी hiring भी अजीब चल रही है. So it's a very it's like a whole different branch is going out somewhere else where it should be going somewhere else. I'll say Bollywood ki example, how Bollywood is just going on rocket sonic speed of growth. It's just because their hiring is just happening on very good speed of, agar Yash Chopra the, Yash Raj the, they were visionaries. of their time, of what they were making. They understood humanity too much, of making love stories. They respected everybody. So that's how Shah Rukh Khan came up. That's how people, you know, they hired those kind of people. So Shah Rukh Khan would hire accordingly then.
Yeah.
So that's what I think is major missing link in our industry now of how things are happening.
It's an interesting point. Yeah, I hadn't thought of it like that, but you're right. But actually, my thought process is a lot different. I only focus on the positive that I see.
Yeah.
Negatives, but this is a very valid point. So how do we how do we improve?
How
That solution इसका क्या होगा? कि जो है लोग तो आ रहे हैं, देखो उनको हम रोक नहीं सकते. जो
no, log to आएंगे तो this is a part of life also that would always be happening. Yeah.
तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं इम्प्रूव इंडस्ट्री को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए? सवाल मेरा
और ये तो सारे आजकल वो भी बनती है ना, मैंने सुना है एसोसिएशंस बनने की कोशिश होती हैं, वो बनती नहीं
होता, सब एक दूसरे की टांग ही खींच रहे होते हैं, उसमें भी
उसके अंदर सॉल्यूशंस नहीं निकल पाए. सो नो I've talked to many producers also कि solutions क्या हैं. There's no solution at the moment. Even if I talk about कि जी solution ऐसे निकालना है, कुछ करना है, but it would not go up to कि जी निकल जाएगा. The problem is the time as well of the country, because everybody is just, you know, too much happening as well. So सुकून हमारे पास कहीं नहीं है. Yeah. So वो होता है ना कि आपको जो there's a quote also कि जी मुश्किल टाइम में पता चलता है सबके बारे में. So it's a मुश्किल time for the country as well at the moment. So everybody is just in a क्या कहेंगे, there is a word, घबराए हुए हैं और सब उसमें डिसीजंस ले रहे हैं. there's no peace or there's no, they're too vibrating too much like this. ठहराव नहीं है अभी.
सिविल हो गए तो फिर आप कुछ आगे सोच सकते हैं.
ठहराव में is very important.
Exploitation वाली बात तुम कर रहे थे. I'm interested in hearing that also.
Exploitation?
Yeah. What do you think is the exploitation in this industry? I mean, obviously there's
So I would ask you, do you think there's no exploitation at the moment? Yeah.
But in what context? Exploitation, like how? ये तो है चीजें जैसे projects वगैरह.
Yeah.
All of that किस तरह से दिए जाते हैं या नहीं दिए जाते हैं. Like there's all buzz around, right? So I don't have any evidence about things. But
so I think exploitation can come after 2-3 topics of what we're talking about. I think the first topic should be what's happening at the moment in the industry. Where is it going? Why is it going?
Let's talk about.
So that comes, and then उसके बाद फिर होता है कि जी लोग कैसे हो गए सारे, काम किस तरह से मिलते हैं. And then how you were talking about why we're doing this, all of this is for the fact of all the young people who are just over here, and उनके लिए रास्ते किस तरह से निकलेंगे. So if I can say there's exploitation, having a very good reel worked, and how you said I've made my mark also. So I worry also when the younger one comes in, how would they stand up for themselves?
You know, the number of hours that people are being made to work, that at the cost prices that
comes also
cheated.
Yeah. So yeah, number of hours for sure. मतलब that is one thing of it.
जब तक कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा हमें ना कहने का, हम खुद भी तो नहीं कहते. तुम कहते हो, मैंने सुना है कि there's you do take a stand for a number of things.
I do a lot of things, and that's why people hate me a lot.
No, but I think, I mean, the fact that you're doing good work, they don't have a choice but to take you. फिर वो ऊपर से जब वो आता है कि नहीं हमें हसान ही चाहिए, then it doesn't matter what the middleman is saying. You know, then हसान की terms पे आ रहा है.
I know. So mostly easy. Mashallah, I've gotten work like that, which is solely based on I never went and asked people that I want work. It was solely based on कि काम अच्छा कर रहा है, we want to work with him. So I was blessed, and I'm still grateful for that. कि I got work like that, showing my work. So उसमें issue ये है कि से बड़ा matter करता है. So if your assistant is over here right now, and he has been there with you since 1 year. So if he's with you since 1 year, अब unconsciously एक आपकी ना इट्स लाइक वो रहता है ना जो गुड एंजल वुड से समथिंग इन योर एयर एंड द बैड एंजल वुड से समथिंग इन योर एयर. सो देयर इज दिस पर्सन, उसने थोड़ा सा भी आपको कुछ बोला ना, नहीं सर ये तो सही इंसान नहीं है, यू नो,
में रह जाता है.
यू नो कि नहीं अच्छा इंसान है, बट एक बात डाल दी है उसने, राइट, कि बुरा इंसान है. सो यू वुड स्टार्ट टू सेकंड, you'll have this second thought about me that कि यार मैं I think it's a good person but now I think it's a क्या अच्छा कुछ गड़बड़ भी है इसमें. So that is a lot in this industry also, which comes in exploitation also, because everybody is just कि another thing which I notice is also, let's say if I have whatever years of experience, right, and you have come 3 years ago with no prior experience but you have become something, but since if you have been working since 30 years, I have to pay that respect and I have to listen to you. I can't be like you're wrong. I'll have a debate with you, right?
Yeah.
So over here there's no debate. लोग बड़े दिल पे ले लेते हैं आजकल, बड़े sentimental और emotional हो गए. डांट नहीं सुननी है. Even if I'm younger but I'm senior in post for you, right? So and then I have certain years of experience and I'm where I am where because of certain reasons.
Exactly.
So you have to listen to me in terms of where I'm trying to explain you कि ये ऐसे होता है, because I know कि जी client और agency side पे क्या होगा फिर, because वो तो डील नहीं कर रहे vendors की टाइप पे, अगर मैं बात करूँ अभी.
आपको तो अपना डिलीवर करना है ना. It doesn't really matter, the onus is on you.
Yeah, so and then I see also agency side and client side also, there's no debate happening anymore, because from the time I saw you guys working, you guys had such a good lot all around you, and then when I became AD also, there was everybody used to talk about it. Yeah, respect was there.
Like आप एक consultant थे ना, you were brought in as and you were adding value to the project. Right now they hire people so that they can just execute whatever they want to, because it seems so easy कि अच्छा ठीक है कैमरा पकड़ो, ये दे दो ये दे दो ये दे दो ये तो वो एक
जी बहुत सारे मेरे पास एजेंसी के आते हैं, कहते हैं कि एंड दिस इज सीनियर डायरेक्टर्स दे टॉकिंग अबाउट, वो क्या करते हैं, लोग हायर करते हैं और शूट कर लेते हैं वो तो, एंड देन आई वाज लाफिंग ऑन देयर फेस कि सो उनका कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था क्या, कोई कि 3 साल से वो काम कर रहे हैं तो वो क्या, सो कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप इज रीजन फॉर अ कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप. सो वही वाली बात कि आप अगर कैप्टन हैं तो कैप्टन के बगैर वो तो शिप चला रही थी, वो तो मोटर चला रही थी, कैप्टन थोड़ी चला रहा था.
But you know what you're saying is actually relevant and very thing. And I faced that for a lot of the time that I've been a director, and it used to frustrate me a lot as well. एक तो as a woman in the industry,
Yeah, that's true.
especially वो जो तुम कह रहे हो ना कि loud आवाज में बात करना, तो वो तो मेरे ऊपर तो ठप्पा था कि she is a bitch, and now I embrace it. I'm like whatever, I'm doing my job. ना मैं किसी से personal thing बढ़ाने की.
No, but director has to be loud because he's controlling or she's controlling 150 people at
As a
least.
woman, it becomes a far more thing.
Yeah.
It do एक आप पे ठप्पा लग जाता है.
That's true.
ये. So
The cliches of women working in the, yeah.
होती थी कि अच्छा, like as a तकलीफ in the sense कि यार, you know, मुझे ये कहते हैं वो कहते हैं, थी भी. I mean I have to be loud if I'm going to be like, you know, leading a team of 100 people. So but now it doesn't bother me. Now I'm like, this is what I am, और मुझे हायर इसी चीज के लिए किया है तो.
But see, that's what you're saying. So this is where I say this is the mentality problem of they don't see that you have a certain responsibility of taking care of 100 people and 150 people who are directly in control of you in terms of being the captain of the ship. You have to take care of their food also. You have to take care of they go on time as well. And time is money in this industry. People don't understand that director is solely responsible at that moment. Producers don't even responsible. अच्छा आजकल को तो पता ही नहीं होता कि जी टाइम जा रहा है, उनको पता ही नहीं होता कि भाई सन की 2 घंटे की टाइमिंग है एंड देन मेरे पास 20 शॉट और लेने हैं. सो देयर इज अ प्रेशर ऑलरेडी बिल्डिंग एंड आई कांट मेक देम वेट फॉर मतलब 18 घंटे या 20 घंटे में मैं शूट खत्म करूँ और फिर नेक्स्ट डे उनको दोबारा बुलाऊँ मैं
Exactly.
और वो खत्म करूँ. सो यू हैव टू बी लाउड, यू हैव टू मतलब
आप अपना but now but this is the only way to do it. अपना काम करते जाओ और जो है then people don't, they have no choice, you leave them no choice but to accept and embrace and और कोई किसी का होता नहीं है वो भी you know कि आपने
Yeah, that's very true.
काम करते हैं आज आपके साथ खड़े हैं, जब उनको आपको ज़रूरत है, जब नहीं है तो फिर जो है you know आप कौन.
For people also, so when you become, so मेरे career में बड़े times आए हैं कि where I became irrelevant also. There was a time 4 years ago I did not have any work for 6 months or 7 months. It was happening like that. I think it was the time also government भी change हो रही थी 4-5 साल पहले. तो so एक चीज़ होती है इंडस्ट्री में बाय द वे, सो हर 4-5 साल पहले जब गवर्नमेंट भी चेंज हो रही है, सब हो रहा होता है, तो एक हमारे उसमें सबसे पहले अफेक्ट करता है एडवर्टाइजिंग में कि पैसे शंक होते हैं तो सब रोक देते हैं. So that's where I notice also how people change. When you become slightly irrelevant also, they would just, you know, start to push themselves away and then they'll just go to somebody else. So there's a lot like that too.
How did you manage to do your...
I made Zalmi.
You reinvent yourself and you show what else you can, and then that was fantastic.
Yeah, so that's I was
That's your now your brand.
channeling everything, but yeah, I mean it was still grateful it happened. It changed a lot of things of that time, because it was very difficult. But I realized pushing Zalmi visuals as well, that wait till I can push my industry, the people of the industry, from art team to stylist to post teams and everybody. And I realized that in 2022 one which I made, कि इससे ज़्यादा I cannot push them. Because the vision which I had and the 2022 wala जो निकला है, that was 40%. 60% I couldn't take it out from them. So that was something which I realized कि
के लोग आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे हैं, like
no, but अब जो norms में काम हो रहा है, I'm not gonna be cocky also in terms of what, but the 2022 वाला visual effects वगैरह जो सारी चीजें, that was the threshold उस time का. And now if you see it also, and I'm glad also everybody is pushing themselves in terms of making the post work, and then VFX has started too much also. But if you see it, that's the limit. Matlab, if you pick that up, because that was the first one which it came out, and then what's happening now also, you cannot push that more. And that I think we'll learn with time now, uska finesse वगैरह. Because हो क्या रहा था कि जब मैंने ही पहली दफ़ा try किया था, they were trials and errors, because nobody attempted it before.
Yeah.
So अब वो क्या हो रहा है कि वो attempt हो गए, लोगों को वो नहीं होता कि I keep giving example of कि जी मसाला बिरयानी का पता चल गया, अब तो वो उसको improve कर.
यार दिमाग खोल गया ना लोग. यार इस तरह से भी explore हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Now post and online work has become like a very central feature of, और हमारे यही होता है, हम भेड़ चाल में भी चलते हैं ना सब. अभी जो है कभी वो क्या कहते थे उनको, ग्लिटर और फ्लैशेस और इस तरह की काम कर रहे थे. अब जो है पोस्ट के ऊपर there's a lot of people that I see that are working references निकाल के बस उसको you know जो कॉपी करना होता है exactly वो कर रहे हैं, which is fine. चलो that's also a learning. अगर हम क्राफ्ट हमने नहीं सीखा हुआ है,
that's also वो ना कि सब कुछ वीडियोस बना के so there's a I wish I could say that on over here. There's a no, I'm looking at you because you calling shots for that ना. बोल दो हाँ वो तेरा aesthetic बच्चोदे. So sorry. Yeah, that's a Gen Z term, by the way. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it is, right? On बकचोद is the word, right? Am I saying it right?
Yeah.
TikTok पे बड़ा है और हर कोई बोल रहा होता है. Especially there's influencers who keep saying it Gen Z बकचोद. So aesthetic.
हाँ.
So I mean, but it's a good thing how aesthetically our generation, the newer generation, is going so good, because they know how. Because how I learned, again, I'm coming from back in the time, because उस वक्त Instagram वगैरह था नहीं तो सारी चीज़ें. So we used to learn from, आप लोग magazines देखते थे या कुछ देखते थे, सारी चीज़ें.
So एक दूसरे को देख के ही सीखा है वैसे.
Yeah, and then how to place shot के अंदर कि किस तरह से mug place करना है, तो उसके साथ कुछ और side में होना चाहिए. Just that aesthetic placing.
Exactly.
So now
it is
now it's so easy for the young generation because वो Instagram पे it's all there.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is a good thing.
नकल करने के लिए भी अकल चाहिए आपको और किस तरह से उसको अडेप्ट करना है किस
Yeah.
तरह से सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग इन यू नो इन कॉपीइंग आल्सो आई फील कि जो है वन क्योंकि आपके अगर स्पेशली अगर आप सीख के कहीं से नहीं आए हो इंस्पिरेशन आप चीज़ों से लेते हो आई डोंट माइंड पीपल डूइंग दैट एज लॉन्ग एज उसको अप्लाई किस तरह से करें
Yeah,
देख तो उसको उसके डेप्थ पे जाओ कि बैकग्राउंड में कि अगर ये रखा थी चीज़ तो क्यों रखी हुई थी और अगर इसी तरह से किसी और चीज़ को रखेंगे तो
वो ना नकल के लिए भी अक्ल चाहिए होती है होती है.
एग्जैक्ट
But yeah, that's very true. कि what's the thought process of making that commercial or even what I there's also one very big missing link अब जो commercials आ रहे होते हैं and I love the very good creatives out there working but जो newer ones they're learning also I'm sure they're learning from the very good ones we have but the missing link which I see is the connectivity the thought process of the human behavior of happening in that for instance the Nestle commercials we do or you keep doing it also so I keep seeing the board जब मेरे पास आता है तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि अच्छा there's a human behavior missing in it what connects it so recently this board came up from your production house also Ali contacted me for that so I'm not gonna take the name of the brand otherwise वो बाद में बोलेंगे कि तुम लोग जाके माइको पे माइको पे हमारे ब्रांड के बारे में बातें कर रहे हो तो anyhow so in that what I saw was कि there was a whole missing link of connectivity of how that human behavior would be मतलब उन्होंने सबकॉन्शियसली तो बना लिया था कि जी करेगा यहाँ से आएगा बच्चा हो जाए चले जाएगा वो सब कुछ कर लेगा बट देन वेयर इज द कनेक्टिविटी so I keep seeing that now कि they should I don't know what's the agency side at the moment there should be another conversation for that but connectivity is very important the human reason
interesting way because now the जैसे हम पहले जब काम करती थी तो जो है there was a different way of working. Now the teams are much stronger. I feel that
you guys used to do everything कैमरा भी उठा के लेके जा रहे होते थे तो वो ज़्यादा
props लेके जा रहे हैं तो
I was telling this to Saqib sir that they all of us we are living in your industry you guys have made it because उस time पे because imagine you guys are picking your cameras up also and then सब चीज़ें खुद कर रहे हैं and then वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके इतनी बनी है अब
so then what is your process जब creative जब तुम्हारे पास board आता है is there a particular process that you follow do you get your team together and work on it do you do it yourself I know that you are not into provide I think a big नया system वो चला है treatment देने का
I hate that
I know I believe that you अच्छा and I like it because I find that it will be an opportunity to get my foot in the door and to show what I can do
but that's where the exploitation comes also
yeah well,
because why I'll tell you so you make a treatment and you know that your treatment is good not just you believe in yourself you know it's good as a third person you'll see also and I'll make anybody see it also you 4 treatments I have and you see this treatment is good but the problem which is ki now though I'm gonna say this also every agency I see is they have their own production houses right so there's a bigger problem which is happening also so where's the whole other people I don't know how to say it right way but isn't that exploitation then when you have your own production house but you have your own agency as well so it could be right also they're expanding their business also that's fine everybody does that कि आप उसको extend करो but what I'm not against it also ठीक है आप अपना production house खोल लो उसमें लेकिन once the treatment आ गए हैं सारे so that means you know the costing right कि आपके पास budget कितना है वहाँ पे if I've made a concept made a treatment which is more than 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs ऊपर or if you're coming to me that my cost would be certain much right so the exploitation comes in कि why are you coming to me then why are you asking me for the treatment when you know you have to give to that person already अक्सर तो मेरे पास अब आते हैं and then I ask the production house कि एजेंसी कौन सी है और क्लाइंट कौन सा है मुझे बताओ एंड ऐसे नहीं ये नहीं आएगा मेरे पास आई नो ये किसके पास जाएगा एंड देन आई एम श्योर यू वुड नो ऑल्सो दिस कि जी ये तो वी आर जस्ट एक्सरसाइजिंग फॉर नो रीज़न but so हमें भी बस वो है ना कि we never give up also. So
Star directors, star producers, and everything. And I was like, no, I want to give and I was really busy with another project, but I was like, this is my opportunity to show them
Yep.
कि अगर जो है और how do you break the chain otherwise? अगर हम अपना हाथ अभी हटा लेते हैं और हम नहीं उसमें एंटर करते, तो वो जो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, मुझे शायद वो वाला प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिलता, बट ये तो था, उनको दिखा तो कि जो है आई कैन डू, आई कैन ऐड वैल्यू इन अनदर वे. मेरे ये थॉट प्रोसेस है कि जो है आपको करना पड़ता है. एंड मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि वो तो फिर छाप तो सकते ही नहीं है ना, आपका कॉन्सेप्ट जो है कुछ एलिमेंट्स उसमें से ले सकते.
so there's a whole different politics which is happening also. Production house is playing their own politics, agency is playing their own politics, clients.
सब कुछ पहले से डिसाइडेड होता है वैसे.
Yeah, so and mashallah, and I keep saying that also. Very grateful for all the people I've worked with, and the clients which I have, very good people. Good people in terms of I can talk to them, because I'm a very talkative person once I find my people. Otherwise I'm a very rude person, because क्या कहते हैं, मुझे फिर से मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता, मैं गालियाँ बहुत देता हूँ. सो मुझे ना बुरे लोग पसंद नहीं हैं. अजीब से चूचू लोग in terms of get what I'm saying, right? So अब बहुत बढ़ गए हैं अब के टाइम में. So I'm grateful कि all the projects, if you see my show reel also, and all the projects which I've done, it's with such good people, and I keep finding them कि और या कहाँ से मिले मुझे मेरे लोग, ताकि मैं मेक कमर्शियल, इट्स सो मच फन मेकिंग इट ऑल्सो. But at the same time, वही जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, जो expectations or the missing link which is coming, the other side which is growing as well. So that's very difficult to work with those people, because उनको कैसे सिखाओ आप 15 साल की चीज़ें, and then they're just somewhere in just 3 years. So
Basically,
you're getting what I'm saying, right? We will not.
it is no. मैंने अपने दिमाग में ये डिसाइड कर लिया है कि भाई ये तो सारी चीज़ें होंगी, तो इसलिए मुझे फ्रस्ट्रेट अब नहीं करती. आई थिंक ये है, अपना करो, कोई किसी पे एक तो डिपेंड नहीं करो कि कौन क्या आपके लिए करेगा या नहीं करेगा. और जो है ये मसले हैं. सो आई एम लिव लाइक आई से टू एवरीबडी, आई लिव इन अ बबल. It's the frustrations were there, but to get to that level, it was not easy.
No. So why I'm being vocal also is because we are sitting over here.
बोलोगे तो चेंज कहाँ से आएगा?
Yeah, that's the thing of sitting over here and telling it for the generation to come up, because unko to, so it takes time to reach somewhere. Then you realize what's happening.
Yes.
Otherwise you cannot realize that. So somebody, if these guys are sitting over here, after 5 years or 10 years, they would realize what we are talking about. Oh, acha, ye wo baatein kar rahe the. So for instance, I keep saying when I was working with Sadul Haq, I worked, so he's taught me everything about how direction is, because I worked with him for 4 years, and I never understood what his mental pressure was at that time. And he was big back in the days, still big. And now I realize so many things that he was right, because I could never tell 15 years ago why he was being this way, what he was facing, what politics he was facing at that time. And now when I'm facing it, and that's where I say, oh man, that's why he was like that. And then that's where maybe I'm becoming something like him also. And then I keep saying, okay, no, you have seen him being like that. Or even with, so direction, he taught me, Faisal Hashmi taught me producing. I did not know anything about being a producer. And then similar story with Faisal Bhai also, that, how things just politically were happening and everything. So it's just a vicious way of the industry as well. I don't know, I've never worked with you. I think you would have faced the same things also. You were talking about how being a woman also, it was difficult. So it's just not, I'll genderize with the thing, it's not just with the men also. All of us are facing in very different ways.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's where I realized, okay, so my mentors who taught me things, they faced it also. So you have to face it too, but be a different version from them, learn from what they... and then doing differently.
So tell me, for anybody new coming into this market, any aspiring filmmakers, what do you think? I mean, is it there's a lot of, obviously there's a lot of gratification also. I find that this, like you also said, कि we love what we do.
Yeah.
तो अगर हम नहीं करते तो हम यहाँ नहीं survival ही नहीं.
Yeah, I'm coming. I had food poisoning, Kal, and then I was like, no, I'll come. It's fun. I'll talk to you. I'll have a good time. So that's why I was late also 20 minutes. I'm so sorry.
What would you suggest to aspiring filmmakers? Do you know, what would you recommend this, or any tips, learnings that you would like to impart? How can they navigate their way? How can they enter the industry? Any pearls of wisdom? Like you're saying, okay, compromise. Don't let people,
So over the years, many, it's a very, how you said ना कि glamour है और सब कुछ वो देख के बहुत आते हैं. So anybody who comes in, and when I'm hiring internees or second ADs or third ADs also, so what I ask them is why are you doing this? Why do you wanna? And then that's just my generic 2-3 questions, which when I'm working with people also. So one said to me, I like the power. Interesting. And many others. So this is what I specifically remember also, because this is what few of them have said it. Yeah, I like the control. I like the power which the director has, and it's like, bro, that's the wrong way to think and to be a director. If you're coming for power and the glamour, because power means you looking at the whole shenanigan, right? It's all the director has. Exactly. So that's not what we think when we're becoming director, right? It's sheer love of filmmaking, because pinnacle kya hai we are learning this art to make a film, right? At the end of the day, it just has to be that.
For me, it's a love of advertising.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very cool. Advertising. So you never want to make a film?
I wanted to be a filmmaker.
Okay.
तो गलती से पड़ गई इस area में. But now that I've been doing filmmaking, now there's this charm, and inshallah, I have an agenda. I have a storyline also. तो वो 3 साल के.
No, I think you should make a film. Yeah.
Because हम जो काम करते हैं वो इतना छोटे स्पैन में कर रहे होते हैं, turnaround इतना quick होता है.
Yeah.
I love that thing of every day is different. You come in, you कभी music कर रहे हैं, कभी आप.
Yeah, Ridley Scott says कि it's very easy for a ad filmmaker to make a film because वो दूर से देख लेते हैं कि क्या होने वाला है सारा कुछ. So yeah, I think
that the charm was advertising, but yeah, film is the next step.
Okay.
Most of the directors are filmmakers who just got into advertising. Like you love the.
I too wanted to make a film for my first love.
I know.
Which I'm still trying. One day I'll make it, but I think it's been a long journey afterwards also. So it's going to be a very good film. But I'm writing one. I'm writing one. It's life oriented.
Acha, very.
It's life oriented, and of how. So if anybody would go in the cinema, they would be able to connect with it. And I wanna have the first Oscar also. So yeah, so I'm thinking big. I
लंबी रेस के घोड़े पे मैं पैसे लगाने जा रही हूँ. मैं तुम्हारे साथ.
Yeah, so that's the whole idea of making a film.
So what would you say to the young people? क्या आना है इस industry में आओ या क्या आके खोल के आओ?
Yeah, so
now what is it?
Where was this the conversation of the power which was coming? So if you have to come in this industry, you need to love what you do. Because see, if you run after fame, money, power, it would never come to you. Maybe it would come to you, but it would be taken away then. But if you love something and you're after it, you will fall in it. You'll love that also. You will rise back up, then you'll fall back down. But the journey would be easier for you just because you're doing something for the love of it. So it's nicer that way.
Yeah.
But if you're running after money and you have to fame and all that, but so it would just become, you would be bitter, and life makes you bitter somehow. But it's just a test of कब तक आप अपने आप को bitter नहीं बना सकते. Because I've seen so many people going through so much and they become so bitter. by the end of the time.
Hmm.
And then so yeah, that's what, never love
for
what
the
you do,
passion.
come for the passion, and do not become bitter, because life would try to make you be that.
And don't get
Yeah.
exploited वाली कहानी तुम्हारी जो है
Yeah, exploitation तो बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए.
particular thing. You have to stand for what
It's
you
a
believe in. हाँ
Yeah.
कि आपको अपने लिए जो है स्टैंड लेना पड़ेगा,
Yeah.
अपना जो है अपने आप को आइडेंटिफाई करें कि जो है
Oh, also, sorry, I'm cutting you off. Learn, try to do not become a director, a DOP, or art director. Director और DOP के अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, by the way.
Yeah.
And there's a very big scope for art directors, stylists also. Focus on that too.
yeah.
कि उसमें भी जाओ आप सारा. Learn that craft. Or that's it. I really forgot what I was saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you're just trying to say कि जो है ज़रूरी नहीं है सिर्फ ये दो नहीं है, और there's
और भी चीज़ें.
more things that you can do within
Yeah.
this framework. Yeah, that's true. जो है people don't realize, वो दिखते जो लोग हैं ना, वो डायरेक्टर का नाम सामने दिख रहा होता है. Hassan, it was interesting talking to you. You're very intense and passionate.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're like a true filmmaker. अंदर से जो है तुम को बोल रहे हो. फिर से बोलना,
good.
क्या बोला था, मैंने
Good.
मिस कर दिया. हाँ,
Yeah.
deep voice में बोलना.
Deep voice पे.
क्या?
I was saying I'm getting cooked for my film. और ठंडी कॉफ़ी पिया हम. मेलब्रू की कॉफ़ी है, by the way.